How to accept light request. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can accept light request. Now this tutorial is basically for drivers, for light drivers. So if you're a light driver or you've applied for or you've activated your light drivers account and you're wondering how you can accept requests on your light app, then this is the best tutorial for you. Now, for you to accept request on your light app as a driver, the first thing is that you would get a ride request. Okay, so once you get a ride request, you would see the passenger's name. You get you get the passenger's name, the pickup ETA, and then the ride type. Once you see this, and then you want to accept the request, just tap on anywhere on the screen. Tap on anywhere on the screen. Once you tap on anywhere on the screen, you have accepted the request, and then you would click on the bottom part of the panel. You will click on the bottom part of the panel to navigate to the person's location. Okay, and then once you get to the location which the person entered as the pickup location, you will just type in "I am here" into the box displayed. This box displayed on the notification form. So I hope that is clear. Just once you get the notification, as on the notification page, just to get the notification, you would see the passenger's name, pickup ETA, and the ride type. So if this matches your interest, you can just tap on anywhere on this page. Once you tap on it, by the bottom part of the panel, you would navigate through to the. You will get your description on how to navigate through to the passenger's pickup location, and then once you get to the location, you type "I am here" to know that, to make the person know that you are available. So that is how to accept requests on Light. Thanks for watching.